All right, so after looking for about 15 minutes, finally found it. It was in the aisle over. You too. Thank you. Man, just look at that sky. That's crazy. I love these new lights. They look so dope inside the truck. The sunset was insane today too. Now that we're back, let's get to the truck stop. And it really helps because it's only 3 minutes away. Yeah, look at that. Interior lighting's dope. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna throw away some trash before we get to cooking, before we get to taking a shower. Should have tossed that too. Salt, most important ingredient. Go crazy with it. Don't be shy. You really gotta salt it through, you know? You're not gonna oversalt it because I'm not gonna oversalt it. Look at that, I already put half a bottle on here. You know what I'm saying? Slap it on the other side, do the same thing. You're going crazy on it. Look at that piece of meat. All right, so while the steak ends up doing its thing, we got it all set up. I'm gonna go take a shower, about kill 45 minutes or so. By the time we come back, we'll be ready to cook. Alrighty. Man, I've been looking forward to the shower all day. But as a truck driver, sometimes you just gotta wait a little bit because the miles gotta get done and you're on a logbook. So sometimes you just don't get to. You just don't get to take your shower when you want. You don't get to take your bathroom break when you want. Definitely kind of sucks about being a truck driver and doing that. But otherwise, the job is cool. I mean, I'm in the middle of nowhere. I don't even know where I'm at. But the weather's great. Crickets are chirping. You know, the sunset was amazing. This is called a Love's Truck Stop. We're gonna go take a shower and I'm gonna show you what the bathrooms look like. Hello. How we doing? Good, how are you? Get that hot water going. Ooh, it feels good. Man, it definitely feels like 10 times better after taking a shower. The air feels better outside. Man, and I'm ready for that steak. All right, so we just got back to the truck. I'm gonna wait for the steak to keep doing its thing, maybe like another 10, 15 minutes. But in the meantime, we're just gonna vibe out, listen to a little bit of music, play a game of Risk. And yeah, you know, I'm still surprised with how sick these lights are. And put the pan on there. Got our steak right there. Yeah. Looking good. Looks like it got some water release, see? Back a window open. It started raining a little bit. There we go. That's going. Get our butter. What else we need in there? Oh, we got onion. There's the onion. We're gonna need that because we're gonna cut that up. Grab a knife. stick of butter looks like. It's the garlic and herb one. Pretty decent price, I feel like, for what you get. Get the paper towels, arm's reach. Have one ready. That's doing its thing. Come back to this when we start cooking up the onion. Now, more salt and pepper. Now that it's salt and peppered, we're gonna throw it on the pan. Yeah, that looks good. Close it up, let it do its thing. You can hear that rain coming in now. Yeah, look at that, it's starting to rain. It's coming down nice. It's kind of good. All right, so the steak is already ripping pretty good. I'm gonna cut up the onion, get that going, so it's ready to go right after the steak. This is our trash bag right here. With limited space, you kind of have to work with what you got. This is what we got. Yeah, it's a good looking onion. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. And it smells good too. So pretty much the thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna make the steak. And right after the steak is done, we're gonna put it to rest in one of these bins that I bought. Well, Tupperware bins, only $5 for 4 of them. $1.25 a pop. They're kind of nice, easy to clean. You can take them with you to the shower to clean. Oh man, I didn't even notice these are the ones that get divided. I don't really like that. I like these ones right here more. I thought they were just the absolute tubs, you know? So we're gonna use this one. It's the last one that I have that's clean that I left in the truck. Anyways, the reason I bought this chili specifically, it's a vegetarian chili and it's got a lot of veggies in there. Herbs, I mean, it's just a classic with the beans, you know? So this is my favorite one. This is the one I like. It's called Stag's chili. All right, let's check on that crust or what? See what that's looking like. I mean, it's getting there, that's for sure. I like to put the steak a little bit around the edge, just because I feel like it hits the edge a little bit, at least. Alrighty, so we just did that whole flip. Looking good, smelling good. We're gonna cover the steak, let the steak do its thing. Alrighty, so this is the bowl. It's looking good. That's what the piece of meat looks like. Got some cheese on it. All that good stuff. Mmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Pretty much the only thing left to do is to smack the food, and this is a heavy bowl, you know? We're gonna eat it, enjoy our little candle, turn off the lights, catch a vibe. Looks good. Look at that. Cheesy, saucy, meaty. The onions are crazy too. Look at those guys. You guys gotta try this.